All right, welcome back, welcome back. Oh yes, honey, it is the DMV. It is the DMV Weave Doctor located in Bowie, Maryland. I just finished doing the Facebook Live, and now I am a little tired, but I have been saying that I'm going to try, even if the different videos that are on YouTube are not as long, because I find a lot of people, not everybody's looking for a very long video on YouTube. So pretty much we just want to wrap up some of the different information that we were speaking about on Facebook. So we are just talking about, I know a lot of people, we have an actual reason why we wanted to do this live or recording was because we have a lot of different clients that we service who are trying to regrow their hair. However, if you are not compliant with the program, and when I mean compliant, you do not listen to the recommendations that can help you regrow your hair, then and then also in conjunction with that, you're not listening to recommendations, you're not improving any of your lifestyle, different situations, you're not lowering your stress, then these things can also exacerbate your current hair loss condition and also any type of scalp condition that you can be dealing with. Because, for example, I have a client, she told me that when she got off of eating wheat, her whole, she used to deal with a lot of different seborrheic dermatitis, so pretty much just like different flakes and cakiness within the scalp. When she followed my suggestion of getting off of the wheat, guess what? Guess what happened? You're not gonna believe it. But anyways, her hair stopped itching. And so these types of things can happen for you too. We have a lot of different pictures on Pure Version Main and even on our YouTube channel showing before and afters of clients who have used some of our products and recommendations. We actually create a lot of our own products, which are all natural. A lot of them contain natural and organic ingredients. We believe in offering a lot of different holistic practices and a lot of different topical agents for our clients. So some of the different things that we offer our this is one of our favorites our most famous ones or most popular ones. One of the most favorite one would be the Creole Miracle Drops. They're originally called the Voodoo Drops, but because a lot of people, we didn't want people to think that we were into black magic, so we turned that around. So that's one of the things that you can start off the program. Now we do have some. Now not all of our clients use the whole system and they still see results. But if you have a lot of different issues and health concerns, you might want to take a more holistic approach when dealing with your actual hair loss and scalp conditions, and ultimately your nutritional health, which we will be taking hair mineral analysis samples, which we can help to. We work with a lab, and they already have this system. As a famous doctor named Dr. Paul Eck, he created a system of vitamins that are for different oxidation types, and these types are very important. So a lot of people are dealing with a lot of stress, and they need to get out of it. So anyways, we offer those different services, and in conjunction with that, we do our regular topical agents. So we have Black Magic Shampoo, which is really good. We offer Scalp Medics. That is pretty much like a hairspray moisturizer, and it works very well together with the Creole Miracle Drops. I almost will say that if you're going to buy that, and if you have hair loss, the Creole Miracle Drops is best if you buy the Scalp Medics in addition to that. Also, along with the Black Magic, pretty much it's just a black soap. We have infused other different herbs. We have our proprietary blend. Different blends we have been working on for years that have been giving our clients outstanding and great results. Another product that we offer, one of the newer, some newer products. One of the ones that's a throwback was our fungal treatment. We've done that on a lot of our clients who suffer from seborrheic dermatitis, and these are not treatments because we are not doctors. These are just all different solutions and things that can help and alleviate any type of condition that you are dealing with. Another very popular product also will be our Scalp Biotics, and this actually helps with and it can help. Because I'm currently in a class right now that tells you have to be careful making false claims. So, and we don't, we just want to make sure that we stay on the straight and narrow. We don't want to get sued. But, pretty much we have good luck so thus far. And a lot of people use this scalp biotics to help alleviate different inflammatory conditions in the scalp. So, for example, folliculitis, a lot of different these conditions that have been, and another thing we don't diagnose, a lot of these different terms have been given, they've been already diagnosed through their dermatologist. So we offer holistic alternatives. And so if you're interested in finding out more how to start on your hair loss journey or nutritional journey, please feel free to inbox us. You can look us up at Pure, P-U-R-E, Virgin, Mane, M-A-N-E.com, or Mane, M-A-N-E, Attractions with an S, hair.com. Also, you can follow us on YouTube. We're also on Facebook, Mane Attractions Virgin Hair Weaving. We look forward to hearing from you, and we hope that you have a healthy hair day. Thanks, and bye. See you later.